World History, welcome to Unit 2, Democracy versus Dictatorships. If you have not done so already, please take the Unit 1 self-assessment. This is an opportunity for you to show what you have learned and self-assess your progress on your Newsela readings, as well as any other tasks and assignments, and the final project, building your country as well. You will be doing a self-assessment for each unit, and then at the end of the semester, you'll take all of those self-assessments, and that will give you some evidence as to that you can put into your overall grade negotiation. So please do that. That's at the bottom of the Unit 1 folder down here. It should take you probably 20 to 30 minutes to do this self-assessment, because you got to provide details and examples from the readings and from your notes and from your projects to show evidence of why you are assessing yourself, giving yourself that 1 through 4 score on each of the categories. I do want to welcome everyone to Unit 2. This is where we are going to get into some of the meat of the content, the historical content. Unit 2, our theme is Democracy versus Dictatorship. So here are the essential questions that we will be exploring. We'll be thinking about these questions during live class and as we're progressing through the unit. Where do our nations of modern Western democracy originate from? We'll be kind of exploring that today, this week, looking at the Greeks and Romans. What social economic circumstances lend themselves to the rise of a democracy? And then what about a dictatorship? What are some typical characteristics of dictators and dictatorships? Is democracy always better than a dictatorship? And are democracies fragile? So this will be about a 5-week unit that will be exploring democracy and dictatorship. I'd encourage you guys to start by looking at the announcements and the master schedule. And we are also going to roll this video into a quick overview of what a democracy is. So I'll ask that you get out your interactive notebook and take some very light notes as we progress through this video.